Module 4 is pretty deep, right? Pun intended. We hope this module will improve your study strategies, test preparation, and performance. Because in college, you'll see almost every type of test imaginable, so you have to be prepared. You might have already discovered the professors have different teaching and testing styles, so we tried to cover all the bases here. And now it's your turn to test out your own metacognition. So we try not to leave any stone unturned in this module, and hopefully your review of the topic folders and the wealth of resources provided were helpful in getting you thinking about your current study and test-taking strategies. And we invite you to go back to this information as much as needed and save whatever you like and what's helpful. All right, so in Exit Ticket 4, we want you to do some reflecting on your current study plan. And so see Exit Ticket 1, your study plan. As well as we want you to walk through your True Talent assessments to review some of your recommendations for improving your study strategies. The goal here is to test out your study strategy on one of your current classes, preferably not FYE, but it's okay if so. Your goal is to choose a class with a test or a project and create a study strategy for that specific class. And you'll do that by analyzing the course schedule of that class and selecting a 2-week period, and then review the assignments, activities, and test projects or whatever is on that schedule and create a study plan. Your strategy will include what you do beforehand, during and after class, and how you'll tackle assignments, and most importantly, how you prepare for tests, and what you should do after the tests to improve the chances that you'll do better next time. So let's look at this exit ticket and remind ourselves of the objective, which is to create a study strategy, a personal study strategy that helps you tackle any type of test here. So the tools we're going to use are the True Talent assessments, the weekly schedule from your study plan, the Dr. Chu videos, and of course the Module 4 topic folders. So we have 9 different samples for you to review, and it's always a great idea to break those down before you get started so that you have an idea of what your study strategy might look like. So next is time to start gathering the tools, the information that we're going to use to build our study strategy. And the first one is the True Talent assessments. We'll retrieve the learning and productivity assessment results, and you'll review the sensory preferences and the mindset preferences, and you'll implement, talk about how you might implement one of these recommendations here. And in part 2, you'll go back to the personality assessment. They also have a learning category, and it's important to check that out too. It's important to get all of the recommendations that you can get about yourself. These are custom recommendations. Next is the ever-popular Dr. Chu series. Dr. Chu breaks down just about everything you need to do from before, during, and after a test so that you get the most out of your studying, and there are 5 videos there for you to watch. And then it's on to you to build your personal study strategies. So we've broken out what the plan looks like here and outlined all the steps, but as always, it's good to start with the template here. So again, you can answer all of the questions here on the template, and then you can transfer that to another format if you wish. Here they are. And then when you have saved your personal study strategies, you will click on the link. You will create the thread. You'll not forget the first 2 questions that asked about the topics and or resources that you connected to, as well as an article or video that you found, and then attaching your personal study strategies or linking your personal study strategies. And when you hit submit, it will go to the discussion board where you will have access to your classmates. So we highly recommend that you look at your classmates' checklist, because you never know, you might be in the same class. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out to your professors with any questions.